Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to Simi Ahda. And today, I want to doing my demo video of my UI UX. And in this part, because maybe later I will going to make two part for the UI and sorry, for the UX. And by the way, I will tell you what is the UI first. Okay, so UI it's the short sentence of the user interface. So what is user interface? User interface it's like the interface of like what we see it, how we feel it, how we can see it, is that good or not, and the other things. And in here, there is the loading screen that in the UX, I will show you the demo. Arya, can you go from my YouTube? I'm recording right now. Okay, so this is the loading screen that in my next video, in the UX video, it will like rotating and it will be gonna really, really good. And this is my home screen. There is some option. There is this, there is the donation, there the lot of things. And this is also there's the function, the button. And in here also there is the what we call that? The kajian, yeah. The kajian and there is search button. After that, in here, there is the settings. There's the settings here. Okay. There is the brightness, the size of the text, the color theme. And by the way, this can't be changed because I make it like it's really simple. And there is the notification, backup data, and privacy security. Yeah. Arya, watch out, Arya. Okay. And this is another quotes of Islamic. And this is my profile. Muhammad Ahmad Kuntal and other things. And this is the prayer or like example doa memohon ampunan from every sins, doa for asking money or rezeki and the other things. And there is another slide. And by the way, I'm not make all of the slide because it's gonna take forever for make it. And by the way, I make it it's like 1 month or more, yeah, because it's really, really hard. Really, really hard. Yes, sir, that one. And there is the donation pages. And you can do it in the UX. Maybe I will tell you this the donation. When you click it, it's gonna took you to these pages. Okay. After that, if you click one of these, it will go to this slide. One of this slide. One of this slide. After that, you can choose the money that you want to give to the or to the people. Like example, 50,000, 100,000, 150, 250, 250,000, 500,000, and there is the method of the how to pay to the people that we want to give it. Like there is GoPay, Dana, BSI, BCA, Mandiri, and the other. And this is the donation slide, the donation pages, we can call it. And this is when you've done to click the donate. It's gonna send you to the donation sense. I hope Allah uh receive your good deeds. Okay, and this is the for donation pages. And there is another pages. There is the tabungan pages. Actually, it's almost the same things like the uh donation pages, but it's different, a little bit different because you can see it. The name of the UI it's a little bit same because yeah because for what we make it really really different because it's the same thing. And there is the last slide. This one there is the option. This is the option and a lot of things again. After that, there is the Qibla or the direction to pray. And you can see it later in here in this icon. This. Maybe in the next video, I'll tell you the function one by one, button by button, and the other. And this is there is an option jadwal salat and arah kiblat. If you press the jadwal salat, the schedule of salat, it's going to move you to this slide. There's the schedule and there's the date and the other things. After that, this is the kiblat, direction of the kiblat, or we can call that the direction to pray. Like example, I want to pray, but in Islam, we can't directly pray to every direction. No, we have the kiblat. The name is kiblat, and our kiblat is Ka'bah in Saudi Arabia. And this is there is the kajian. There is the kajian salat, kajian mandi wajib, kajian tablik akbar, and this is one of the example of kajian salat. This is from a lot of ustad ya. Kajian salat. This is an text. It's a text because if you click it, it's maybe gonna take a long time. Yeah, and so it's better that we read, just read, than watching the video that's gonna take like maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or maybe a lot of times. So we just take the points of the video. After that, we can put it in here. And this also another tutorial. Actually, this is tutorial, but we can use it as kajian also because it's the things that give us another knowledge for ourselves. And this is the easy text. This is the text. This is tablik akbar, kajian tablik akbar, and the other. After that, this is the Al Quran. There is Al Ikhlas, Al Falak, An Nas, Al Ikhlas, Al Falak, An Nas. You can read it in here, Masya Allah. Kul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad. This is there is also the translate. Ya, katakanlah Nabi Muhammad dialah Allah yang Maha Esa. Allahu samad. And there is the what we call that? The the subtitle or the translate. There's the Latin and there is the Arabic. There is the Al Falak also. There is An-Nas. And this is the Amal checklist. Okay. So like this. The example Amal Ibadah. Did you have Salat at the time? Maybe yes. And then you can checklist. Red. Zikr after Salat. Did you do it? If you yes, and then you can check it. But if you not, but example, you're not reading Al Quran, so you can't check this. After that, there is another example of the helping our parents, like washing our clothes, yes, washing our food tools, no, cleaning our home, yes, and this is another uh check that we need to do. Like example, uh learning about diniyah or Islamic. After that, improve our skill IT and improve our grammar. After that, there is also the sirah. We call that sirah. Yeah. There is the sirah of turunnya Nabi Adam to ke bumi and other things. This is the short story, but actually there is a long story and a full story. But I just take it the point of the story. After that, I put it here. And there is also another story about Prophet Isha, or Christian people call it Jesus. But yeah, it's a little bit stupid. There is the story and the same things like this and the other story. I take it, I watch the video. After that, I take the point of the story and I put in here. After that, there is another things. It's about Isra Mi'raj. It's our prophet, our beloved Prophet Muhammad SAW, that he go to doing Isra and Mi'raj. That Isra, it's he's he goes from Mecca to Palestine at Masjid al Aqsa. After that, another is Mi'raj, when he from the Masjid al Aqsa goes to the seventh sky. What you call that? Yeah, sky maybe. And when he get the what we call that another obligation to pray 5 times and the other. And this is maybe the last slide, the last pages. There is the fasting. It is the pengertian of the fasting. This you can see it by yourself that fasting is holding you to from eat, drink, and everything that makes you cancel your fasting. And there is the keutamaan of Ramadan and the keutamaan of fasting. And there is also the content of Ramadan. And by the way, it's 18 February until 19 March 2026, and it's I think it's just like maybe less than 2 months or 3 months. Yeah. It's very very close the time. Okay, and this is the preview, all of my preview, and maybe you want to see what is this. This is the mockup, and I will show you this in the UI in the UX video. Okay, so maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching my demo video for the UI. I hope it's beneficial for you guys all. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.